I just noticed that people are not paying attention to asset chain. The future is right before us. We have noticed that one of our biggest problems in Web3 is that when people make their first 500k to $1 million, what they do is that they take it out and then take that money and invest it into real estate and other stable physical businesses that are less volatile than crypto, because crypto is very, 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 very volatile. You can see a token at $100, in the next 20 minutes is at $10. That is how crypto is very volatile. So when people make certain wins, they take the money out, and that has made us to lose a lot of liquidity. So this is where asset chain comes in. Asset chain now say, okay, these guys are investing in physical properties like land, houses, that's real estate. Okay, why not let us give them an avenue to still invest in those physical properties, yet keeping the money on chain so that the money doesn't go out of Web3 totally. And that is where it gives the ability for you to tokenize those houses, tokenize those lands. When a land is tokenized, that means you can buy and get that land on chain. That means it's not like you are providing an exchange. Like, not like, okay, for example, now I'll spend BNB to sell it to somebody. No, you are buying the real land. Let me say, if you are buying a land in Guzape in Abuja, you are like buying the land on chain using asset chain. Like, you sit in your room and buy a land in Guzape. You don't need an agent. Are you getting me? So when the owner of the land tokenize it, you can buy a share of that land. Let me say this 100 hectares, and then each hectare is $50. Yes, if you buy worth that amount, you have gotten a land. Or even if, or let me say, that entire land is worth $1,000. You will tokenize it, and when you buy a share, you have gotten a share in that land. And anytime that land in Guzape goes up, your value of investment goes up. That is where asset chain is coming. When you tokenize those houses, for example, if real estate companies tokenize their houses and then you buy in, the value of that token is not tied to anything in the Web3 space. It's tied to that physical house located somewhere in Abuja or Lagos or in VI or in the UK. Whoever tokenizes his house and is to real estate, his houses or his estate. For example, let me say Billot tokenizes estate today, and you buy into the tokens, it will be tied to the estate. As long as the estate is doing well and is growing, the value of your tokens will be growing. So it will bring more stability and reduce volatility that's in this space. Some of you are really giving a deaf eye and a deaf ear to what they are building. Currently now, I know they're not doing marketing, and even though the asset chain token is not yet live, they are still they're still building, they're still on testnet. Sorry, they have gone live already, but even though the token is not yet live, but they have tokens on their chain, like the Zen Finance token that powers the Zen Finance exchange. You have been hearing of Zen Finance exchange, right? So that is the token that powers the exchange. It's like meeting Binance in its early days around 2015, when the token was less than a cent. This is the opportunity you're having today with Zen Finance token under the asset chain. It powers that exchange, and they are doing P2P really fast, so well, so secure, where you don't even need a third party again. They have Winscript token. It's powered by it's something related to the Wi-Fi, where they provide network, and as people use it, it's a DPIN. If you don't know about DPIN, stay close to my channel. I'll do a video about it. So as people use the network, you get to mine the tokens and you get rewarded. There is Shalom, the official meme coins, and you know what meme coins used to do? They are the tokens that bring the bulls and the attention to every ecosystem. Just like Shiba brought it to Ethereum, Baby Doge brought it to BNB, and many others. That is how it's going to bring attention to the asset chain. So if you are sitting down right there and you're a newbie, I think Shalom is around, 100k as of last as I checked. Zen Finance as of last I checked around 400k market cap. That is a token that is powering an exchange that is working and is an exchange of the future. So this opportunity I lined down before. So I just said, let me share this alpha with you. Like and share the video, share it to everyone around you. People that miss opportunity to enter good tokens. You are still having an opportunity today. You have seen that many African tokens are already partnering with them. That is showing you that attention is already coming and they have not started marketing yet. They are just building the product in silence. Remember, I say layer one. Asset chain is a layer one, but the token is not alive. So just stay close to if you know Vindicated Chidi, stay close to his handle is the ambassador. So anytime it goes live, there will be an announcement. But you can position yourself with the Zen Finance token. Imagine maybe people holding it can get airdrop of the asset chain token. Nobody knows. And remember, crypto is risky. It's not a financial advice. You can lose the entire money you're investing. It's not new. That's how this system has been. So take the right choice and the right risks. Catch you in the next video. Like and share. You have been watching my videos. You have refused to share. Share this one. Thank you.